Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an iPhone user and excited about Apple's latest software update, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about iOS 27 and some of the biggest new features, improvements, and changes that Apple has introduced. So let's get started. iOS 27 brings a fresh experience to the iPhone with a strong focus on artificial intelligence, customization, and everyday usability. One of the most exciting additions is the upgraded Siri experience. Siri is now smarter, faster, and more capable of understanding natural conversations. It can handle more complex requests and provide more helpful responses throughout the operating system. Another major improvement is the redesigned user interface. Apple has refined animations, updated icons, and introduced new customization options that allow users to personalize their iPhone more than ever before. The lock screen and home screen offer additional controls, widgets, and layout choices, making the device feel more unique to each user. The Messages app has also received several enhancements. Conversations are easier to manage, media sharing is faster, and new communication tools help users stay connected with friends and family. FaceTime improvements bring better call quality and additional features that make video calls more enjoyable. Privacy remains a top priority in iOS 27. Apple has introduced stronger privacy controls, giving users more transparency over how apps access their data. New security features help protect personal information while keeping the iPhone experience simple and convenient. Battery optimization is another important focus. iOS 27 includes smarter power management that helps extend battery life during daily use. Performance improvements across the system also make apps launch faster and multitasking feel smoother on supported devices. Overall, iOS 27 is designed to make the iPhone smarter, more personal, and more efficient. Whether you're interested in AI features, better customization, improved privacy, or enhanced performance, there's something in this update for everyone. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this overview of what's new in iOS 27, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.